Assalamu alaikum. Today we've got a really quick 3-ingredient recipe for honeycomb. All you're going to need is some honey, some bicarbonate of soda and about 350 grams of sugar. You're going to start by placing a pan on a full heat and you're going to add in your 350 grams of sugar. Into that sugar we're going to add a tablespoon of honey. We've lowered the heat just a little bit so it doesn't burn, and we're going to mix it all together and it should start melting together. As it starts melting it should look like this. We're going to keep it on the heat until all those bumps are melted. Once it's all started to melt and has turned a bright gold colour, we're going to add in a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. You can see as soon as you add that in, it starts reacting and foaming up. We're going to avoid keeping it on the heat for too long as we don't want it to burn. As soon as we think we've got it foaming enough, we're going to move it onto a baking sheet. This part doesn't have to look amazing, just pour it straight onto the baking sheet and let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until it has gone rock solid. Now we're ready to break it into pieces. All we've done is cut slightly along the middle just to help us break it in half. And that's it, the quickest dessert ever. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, we appreciate it.